Are you looking for an easy way to ensure your company stays compliant with employee benefit laws while managing a global workforce? Then you need to know about Oyster. In today's video, we're going to show you how Oyster can help you ensure employee benefit compliance, so you can focus on growing your business without the stress of constantly keeping up with changing laws. Before we dive in, make sure you check out the exclusive link below for an extended free trial of Oyster, complete with some fantastic bonuses. Now, let's talk about compliance. Employee benefits are complex, especially when you're dealing with different countries and their specific regulations. Whether it's healthcare, retirement plans, or insurance benefits, staying on top of these rules can be a huge burden. That's where Oyster comes in. Oyster provides a centralized platform that automates the compliance process for international benefits, making it easier than ever to manage your global team while ensuring you stay within the law. The platform automatically aligns your benefits packages with each country's legal requirements, so you don't have to worry about it. It helps prevent costly mistakes that can occur when you're manually trying to track all these rules. Not only does Oyster keep track of employee benefits, but it also allows you to customize these benefits for your team, depending on their location. This level of flexibility is vital because different regions may require different types of benefits, and Oyster takes care of this nuance for you. It ensures that you're providing the correct benefits based on the local laws without needing to manually research every region. One of the most powerful aspects of Oyster is its ability to generate reports that keep you informed about compliance at all times. These reports are clear, organized, and easy to understand, making it simple for HR teams to review and ensure everything is in order. If there are any compliance issues, you'll be alerted, which helps you stay proactive rather than reactive. Additionally, Oyster integrates with a variety of HR tools and software, which helps streamline the entire process. Whether you use payroll management, recruitment, or employee management tools, Oyster works seamlessly with these systems, so you don't have to worry about manual data entry or duplicate work. If you're new to Oyster, the good news is that it's super intuitive. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, so you don't need a degree in international law to understand how to use it. You can easily navigate the compliance dashboard and quickly adjust your employee benefits packages as needed. And remember, if you're just starting out with Oyster, you're in luck. The first link below will give you access to a free trial that not only lets you try out the software, but also gives you some exclusive bonuses that can save you time and money. So, to wrap up, Oyster is an essential tool for businesses looking to ensure employee benefit compliance across different countries. It saves you time, reduces the risk of costly mistakes, and keeps you ahead of regulatory changes. Whether you're a startup or an established company, Oyster can help you provide compliant benefits to your global workforce. Be sure to check out the link below to get started with your extended free trial and take advantage of those exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your employee benefits compliance process with Oyster.